If you want to create AI influencers that look real, consistent, and brand ready, this video is for you. Some of the fastest growing Instagram pages today are powered by virtual influencers. No cameras, no studios, no photo shoots. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own consistent AI influencer using ChatGPT and Google Gemini. I'll also give you the exact prompt so you can follow along step by step. So watch till the end to learn how to turn your AI character into videos that attract followers and brands. And make sure to check the description box for all prompts used in this video. So step 1 is creating your $1 million AI character prompt. So everything starts with the prompt. If your character prompt isn't locked, your influencer will never stay consistent. So open ChatGPT and use this master character prompt. So check the description box for character creation prompt. And make sure to save it. This is your character's identity DNA. So step 2 is creating your base image in Google Gemini. So you open Google Gemini, you paste your master character description and use this base image prompt. Also check the description for Google Gemini base prompts. Generate a few images and select the best one. This will be your reference face. So step 3 is generating brand ready AI influencer images. Now we expand content for Instagram. Use this lifestyle and fashion prompt. Also check the description box for lifestyle and fashion prompts Google Gemini. Make sure to change only outfit, location and post. Never change or never touch the face description. So step 4 is maintaining face consistency. Face consistency is the secret to a professional page. Whenever the face starts drifting, use this face lock prompt, face consistency prompt. Check the description box for the prompt also. Step 5 is adding scene and style for brand ready content. So once your face is locked, you can add lifestyle and fashion styling. Also check the description box for the brand scene prompt, bracket Google Gemini. This prompt ensures your influencer looks professional and trustworthy to brands. Now, step 6 is refining images or adding new elements. So instead of regenerating from scratch, refine what you already have. I also drop a refinement prompt in the description box, so small edits give better results and preserve consistency. So step 7 is bringing your AI character to life with animation. Now we make short video clips. We will also be using an image to video prompt, which will also be in the description box. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll make use of Google Video 3, but you can also use of Grok and any other image to video tool. So I'll drop the prompt in the description box. So this is how your influencer starts to feel alive and engaging. So final tips plus creating longer AI videos. Final advice is 1 character, post consistently, treat your AI influencer like a real brand. Therefore, long cinematic AI videos, you can use advanced AI video tools to create multiple scene storytelling content, or you can also create with Grok and Video 3 and make use of InShot or CapCut to join them together. So if this video helped you, like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in the next one. Bye.